Hello YouTube, this is Don from DaretoBeCreative. How you guys doing today? Hope you're having a wonderful day. And I am able to haul. It is late. It's like 2 weeks old, but anyway. I'm just getting around to get into some of these Dollar Tree hauls. I saw this bamboo cutting board. It's nice and sturdy. Don't know if I use it in my kitchen. I'm really thinking I'm going to alter it. But anyway, so I just picked it up because it's the only one. I picked up some of those copper wire LED lights. And just for, I need them later on in the year because I know they're hard to find. I picked up some streamers. I don't know why I thought I don't have the dark pink, but I think I do. And I didn't mean to pick it up. Yeah, I don't know why I picked it up. There was 2 different days. Oh, I forgot to show you. This is another green that was different than the other one. So just a different shade of the light green. So anyway, I picked it up. There was 2 different days. And I can't remember where I got it. Sorry about the noise because I got some other colors in my other bags, in my other haul. Picked up 2 packs of the removable 36 count glue dots. I picked up another set of dies just for giveaways. Since I'm doing the Dollar Tree collab. You know, these are nice little stuffers or winners when I have hidden announcements or whatever for watching my Dollar Tree collab on the second Sunny Beach month. This is a spray, Elmer spray, disappearing purple, permanent bond. It says it's the new size. And yeah, so I was curious to try that one out. And go to the Dollar Tree. Some pens, 0.7. I like those. They just don't last long enough for me. Did get a few of those little shaker stickers. And they had, I think, 6 more. They had the elephant, the narwhal, and was it a unicorn? I don't know, but it was 6 or 8 of these. Anyway, but these are the 3 I got. And they're all lip shakers. I picked up these mechanical pencils, and they're 0.7 millimeter lead. And I did get the, sorry about the rustling sound. Some little animals. The ape, the lion, and the elephant. So also I thought maybe I could go with one of my African projects. And then that I was doing some more of the numbers, which I already had these, but I got another pack. And then I did get the Chanel's, the purple, the black, the pink. I've been having these, I just ain't had a chance to do the video. The white, the gray, and this is nice. The yellow, the blue, and the green. So that is it for this particular haul. You know, the Dollar Tree is always changing up. Always got something new, different, and fun. Gotta snatch it when you can, because sometimes they come back, and sometimes come back a year later. So anyway, you know I didn't need to have all this pink. Somebody will get some of that. Thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.